here we are, room 108. Really lovely suite here. Just to sort of give you the lay of the land, when you first walk in the door, we have one bedroom here with the bathroom, and then one bedroom back here with a bathroom. But when you first walk in, over here we have the kitchen, little apartment-sized fridge, which has an ice maker, which I thought was really, really nice. Made it so great to be able to have ice. Lots of storage cabinets, so if you're one who's gonna be staying here for a long term, you do have plenty of storage for food or whatever. Dishes, of course. You have the normal stuff you need, little plates, big plates, bowls, mugs, small glasses, regular glasses, fancy glasses, which of course I use for soda. Then you have a little cooktop. I think that's an induction cooktop. Side note, this little thing shows a red light. We all know that a red light means that it's on. Unfortunately here, it means that it's locked. So that's a good thing it locks, but also a red light was a little bit nerve-wracking. But they include everything you need. You have a couple of pot holders, a dish towel, a dish rag, a dishwasher tablet, even some dishwashing soap, good size sink. You don't need anything crazy here. And they do include a coffee pot. And over here they include some coffee, tea, and some popcorn, which I thought was a nice little touch. Cutting board. Then over here we do have silverware in here. It looks like you have a set of 4 of everything. Some cooking utensils, some pots, more pans. Under here is where they keep the trash. Worth noting is that there is a garbage disposal, so I think that's great. Full-size dishwasher. And that is your kitchen. Really quite nice. Honestly, it has everything you could possibly need. Just a little notepad, a lamp, and the lamp does have a 110 plug on it. A good, comfortable couch. A good size, actually. I was very happy with it. It is a pull-out, so that adds additional sleeping people. And a nice footstool. Over here, this is a seating for 4. It is a bar top sort of height. Actually, it might actually only be counter height. Yeah, it's counter height, not bar height. But just worth noting, I didn't find that incredibly comfortable, but I never do. The chairs themselves are comfortable. It just, I don't like a height like that. Random table over here. It kind of felt like there should be chairs. I don't know. Great size TV with remote. Really pretty light. Let a lot of ambient light in there. Here is a thermostat, and it does look like we could adjust it, so that was nice. Here's a view of the room, the space from in here. Especially if you have kids, this would be a great play area. Plenty of floor space. As we go into this bedroom, we did sleep in this room before I did the review. Normally I try and do it before we make it messy, but we slept in here, and I have to say, we slept here 2 nights. Super comfortable beds. There's 2 queens on this side, charging station, so to speak, 2 110s, 2 USB-As. I love that it has so much space for charging. The lamps here, there's a switch for each lamp individually underneath. The pillows were really nice. And one thing that I thought was special and different, they had different kinds. So this one shows that it's a soft pillow. This one showed that it's a firm pillow. So having all the options right here on the bed made it really nice to just be able to choose which we thought was gonna work the best for us. Big window, another big TV with remote, and a 3-drawer dresser, and then a lamp in a super random spot. That is locked. I don't know what the deal is with that. Maybe it's a utility closet. It kind of sounds like maybe that's where the air conditioner is. The drawers are a fairly good size. Nothing crazy about them. They're not lined or anything. And a full-size mirror. Over here, we have a good size closet, which has additional pillows up top. And it also has additional pillowcases. Plenty of hangers, but they did say that you could ask for more if you needed it. Some shelving over here, wire shelving with the ironing board, and then the in-room safe, which of course you can adjust the code to be whatever you want it to be. Nice vanity area here with plenty of towels over here, tissues. All of their soap was Dove, which we really liked. And then there is a body lotion also included. Then they include a couple of makeup removers, another mirror, hi. And then the lighting all around here offered a ton of light, surprising amount of light. Then on this bathroom, it is a tub bath. So if you need a tub, guess what? They got you covered. Really nice, really clean. We have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash included here. I thought that the shower head was really nice. You couldn't adjust it to be a different kind of, water shooting out, but it was nice. They even include the tub stopper. So if you need a place to bathe those kiddos, guess what? You got it. So really nice. I like that the toilet is separate from the vanity so that more people can accomplish more things in the morning. And there is a lock on the door here. In this bedroom, same deal, another closet. It is a little bit smaller, it looks like. They don't have the pillows up top, but they do still have the iron and ironing board, which is nice. You have one for each room. Again, with the vanity over here, everything seems like it's a little bit smaller in here, of course, because there's only one bed. So you have one queen bed in here, also a lock on the door, also a full-length mirror. This place has a desk, which is nice, with the chair. Over here we have a charging port station for the base of the lamp, which again, anytime you can have more ports to charge things, I think we all can appreciate that. Each side of this bed has charging ports, two 110s, two USB-As, again with the comfortable bed, again with the different types of pillows that you can select. Over here, you have a stand-up shower, which makes it really nice if you have maybe some mobility issues. Shampoo, body wash, conditioner, plenty of towels, really nice, really clean. I was very happy with this stay. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions that I can help with. Really nice and bright hallways. Laundry room, plenty of machines, and a little folding table. Most importantly, check out that sign. Free laundry for guests. Whoa, that's pretty incredible, I'm not gonna lie. Then we have a little bit of a gym, nothing crazy, but does have some good equipment for you to be able to work out. I always love when hotels have the little pantry area here. So if you forgot something, they got you covered. Of course, they are incredibly expensive prices, but hey, the price you pay for convenience. As we work through here, a great lobby area where you can eat meals. These are great little game tops. Look, there's Anne. Everybody say hi. Those are our friends. In here we have another great little sort of gathering area. Great big TV, and then another seating area, which is great. Fantastic courtyard with this cool little fire pit, which apparently is going all the time because they had it all night, and now this is the morning time and it's going here too. These chairs are really comfy little rockers, but lots of little places to sit and appreciate the courtyard here. They also have a grill area, which is plumbed into propane. Really nice and clean. Look at this. Who wouldn't want to stay at this place? I mean, I think it's great. They have a pickleball court and basketball hoops on the pickleball court. These crazy people who think that basketball is better than pickleball. Crazy. Looks like you got some beanbag toss. This is the pool area. Really great pool. It's weird because it's got 3.5 feet on each end and then 5 feet in the middle. A little bit strange. They do have the lift so that you can, if you have mobility issues or accessibility issues, it can drop you into the pool, which is great. Obviously, slowly. And they do have pool towels out here. And another seating area over here to the left. Hope you enjoyed this tour, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. We really appreciate it.